Nnọọ ndị ọma njem ọnụ ụmụnne m nnọọ na Igbo Online College. I welcome you back to Igbo Online College. If you're new here, very warm welcome to you. Nnọọ rinne. Afa m bụ Ugom Sinachi. Today I'm going to teach you how to greet at night. How do the Igbo people greet in the night? Make sure you repeat after me because in 2024, you must speak Igbo, you go speak am o. So do make sure to repeat after me. All right. So, mommy kachifo, mommy good night. Ezigbo nwa m ka ọ bọọ, my good child, good night. Rahụ ọfụma, sleep well. So, all right dear. Kpuchikwa onwe gị, cover yourself or make sure you cover yourself. Now that is two persons, person one and two, a way you can greet at night. The next one is daddy kachifo. Daddy says kobo. Rahụ ọfụma, sleep well. Gbanyụkwa ọkụ, make sure you turn off the lights. Then the other one is kachifo, where you did not address anybody particularly, or you address them, maybe you finish talking with the person, you say kachifo, the person says kobo or kofo. Rahojo, sleep in peace, peacefully. Ginwakwa, you too, odemma. The next one, kachifonu. If it is more than one person you are talking to, you add this no. Kachifonu. Odemma kobo. They say odemma kobo. Rahojo. Sleep peacefully. Kode. Bye. Or later. That's what kode means. Kode means bye or later. So, this is it about Igbo greetings. Now, you can meet people when they are working. It is not night, but they are working. You say dalo olo, dalo olo, dalo olo. Ịdị ike, jisie ike, jisie ike. Jisie ike means hold fast strength, but it generally is an encouragement to continue. Jisie ike. All right, that is it on Igbo greeting. So if I meet you walking, what I will say is jisie dalo olo, dalo olo. Olo is walk. Dalo olo. In Pidgin English, we say well done walk. Well done o. Dalo olo. That means in proper English, good job. Dalo olo. Or I say jisie ike. Or I can say dalo olo. You say dalo so. Then I say jisie ike. I will go my way. That is it. So another thing about greeting in Igbo is when you call my name, if we are peers, you call my name, you have greeted me. For instance, if you meet me and say Ugom Sinachi and we are peers, it is a greeting. I will respond by calling you by your name. You can also say Kenkeneme, Udode, Udonachi, and that is, you have greeted me. It doesn't have to follow any particular order or protocol. So there is no protocol, there is no order. You must say this first, you must do this. No. You just, depending on the time of the day and your relationship with the person, you go ahead and greet. Odemma, that is it on greeting in Igbo. Daalụ maka ige ntị. Please make sure to subscribe, share, like, comment. And I will see you in my next one. Cody.